let's take a look at the next project that's going to be happening. So why are you swapping this bumper bar again? Well, I love this bumper bar, but it has, whether it's not the bracket, it's obviously dropped in here. And trying to fit the fog lights into, I don't know if you can see, into here, there's just not enough room. Even with a spoiler, it doesn't, they sit very, even if I have to hack the bumper bar, which I don't really want to do. So, since there's a spare series 1 bumper bar, I'm just going to put that on. I don't like this at all, but I do like the look of it. But let's try the series 1 on and see what we think. Let's move this old girl out. Auto choke function. Okay, I know where I'm going. Very easy to get off. There's a 10mm up here and 10mm down here on this bracket. That frees up the outer. And then on the underneath of the car, there's 4 17mm bolts. They're the 2 17mm. One was up here, one there. And there's 2 bars on each side of the car, close to the outer. That's all that holds that bumper in, except for 2 on the other side. It's free, so let's pull it out until, and let it hang. Be careful with this. Then you'll see the light connections, and you can disconnect those and slide in the next one and do the same.